Test natin tong ano, ENC G17 Gen 5. So naka metal slide siya, and then lower frame is polymer with complete markings. G17 Gen 5. So ito may markings din to. Yan. So guys, budget meal to. Ang price niya is 4,000. Check niya sa ano natin, folder natin, budget meal folder natin. Okay, so test natin. $337, $323, $326. For more details, PM lang kayo sa page namin, Mavs Hobby Shop.